Alright, we just wanted to do a quick demonstration and show you what the bioweapon defense mode is on a Tesla Model X. So this is a 2018 Model X. If we go down to the fan button here, that goes into our climate control. And this little bioweapon biohazard symbol here on the air conditioning mode is what activates the bioweapon defense mode. So what happens is if we press that, obviously all of our windows will need to be rolled up. We push that, and what it does is it automatically has the fan speed to 10, which is the maximum. It doesn't recirculate, but what the maximum fan speed does is it creates a positive pressure in the cabin, so that way no contaminants are going to come from the outside, and all of the air is then being filtered through the HEPA air filter. So this has a big HEPA air filter in the front and behind the front trunk. So all the air is going to be filtered through there, and it's going to help clean the air, not allow any contaminants into the cabin. And so, like, let's say you're driving through like a smoke, there's a wildfire nearby, or smoke, or heavy pollution, polluting trucks right next to you, or something like that. Push the bioweapon defense mode, and it'll activate that. So for Teslas that are 2016 and newer, if yours didn't come with that, you can upgrade that. If your car didn't come with it from the factory, you can upgrade to the bioweapon defense mode. It includes the HEPA filter, and then they'll upgrade the firmware so you have that option there. But anyways, that's how you use it. It's simple. I love the concept that you can keep air outside of the cabin, especially if it's air that's not going to be, good for your health. It's contaminated, it's got smoke in it, it's got smog, whatever it is. I think that's a cool feature. So pretty simple to use, and another example of Tesla thinking ahead. So anyways, thanks for watching the channel. Be sure to thumbs up and give a subscription to the channel. Thanks.